Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 batteries have been spotted on the UL Demco certification platform. According to the latest available data, the new upcoming folding smartphones, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Fold 7 battery capacity revealed, the Flip model is getting a big boost. On the other hand, Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 mass production have reportedly begun. The official Unpacked event is scheduled to take place very soon. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The battery capacity of Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 has been revealed in a new leak. The former model is getting a bold boost in capacity, while the latter is expected to retain what its predecessor had under the hood. The battery units to be used in the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 revealed the capacity ahead of launch. The Tech Outlook resource has spotted the supporting documents, which shed light on the battery packs of both upcoming foldables. Followed by their earlier BIS certification, the batteries that will be used in the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 smartphones have been listed on the UL Demco certification platform. Also to add, the battery capacities have also been revealed via the certification database. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 batteries with the model numbers EBBF966ABE and EBBF967ABE have received the UL Demco certification with the respective certificate numbers of DK1STEAM3799UL and DK1STEAM3657UL. The two are listed as secondary Li-ion batteries with battery capacities of 2126 mAh and 2146 mAh, totaling to 4272 mAh. Coming to the Galaxy Z Flip 7 batteries, EBBF766ABE and EBBF767ABE battery models have been certified by the UL Demco Certification Authority, with certificate numbers of DK1STEAM3399UL and DK1STEAM3928UL respectively. The revealed charging capacities of the two batteries as per the listing are 1189 mAh and 2985 mAh, totaling to 4174 mAh. Rumored to pack 4300 mAh typical battery backup. On the other hand, a new rumor now indicates that mass production of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 has indeed begun. Samsung is expected to conduct an Unpacked event in July to unveil these devices. It's likely that they'll hit shelves within that month. Reports claimed that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 will get the Exynos 2500 chip globally, while the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will retain the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset that has shipped on the Galaxy S25 series this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.